Good morning, my name is Mayra Gonzalez. I'm a bachelor student in foreign language with an emphasis of English. And below, I am going to talk to you about a routine that I do every day, and that is cooking. Yeah, I don't know if you are as obsessed with eating is as I am. However, so around this video, I would like to show you how I like to prepare it. It's 3 times a week for breakfast. Perico is that consists of scrambled eggs with daisy tomato, um, onions. I am not as good as my mom at cooking. That is why I try make simple things. For this preparation, I will need the next ingredients. Two is um, one tomato, one onion, salt, a bit of oil, pepper. Okay, I begin by putting off a low heat the pot on the stove. Um, Okay, while it is warning a process to spare peeling and dicing the onions, which I will put in a bowl I do some with the tomatoes. Okay. Add the oil there and really heated pan and let it heat. Add the onions the local cooked until begin to a sweet and the onions through translucent, then add the tomatoes and salt. I like add a bit of pepper so it looks appetizing. Lower the heat to look slowly pour in the eggs, pushing the eggs around the pan every 7 seconds until they are set or well done. Turn the stove off and let the eggs cool a bit. Um, like that, I have my breakfast done. I like eating eggs with arepa. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.